Good morning, ladies and gents. Happy Monday. Hope you guys all had a nice Mother's Day. I always try to give you guys the tip of going to Trader Joe's to get your flowers for Mother's Day or whatever event. For example, I bought this big bouquet for my wife, cost $20. She said that she was looking online to send her mom some flowers up in the Bay Area, and the same bouquet was about $120. So yeah, if you're a smart consumer, you can save yourself a ton of money. If you just go out spending, yeah. There's an old saying, a fool and his money are soon parted. Don't be the fool. All right, ladies and gents, we're going to continue looking at the Personal Finance Lab. I found a spot where I can get the activity report for everybody in the class, and here we can see, yay, Purple Kevin is in first place. He's got a total of $103,835. Not bad, not bad. He's in a matter of a week, he's already generated about a 3.8% return. Next is the other Kevin, and he is not far behind, and you can see he's at 102, so he basically has a 2.4% return so far. You can see the number of orders, right? They've been very active trades, but then we start to move down, and this is where I can tell if you've been spending or not, is your cash balance, right? You can look. So Tina T, you still have $36,000 to spend. Seth, you got 10. Thomas, you still have 93. Kang, 83. And then we've got all of the I have not logged in crew. Laura, Hui, Ethan, Tyrone, V, Dylan, Anthony, Dina, Derek. Come on, you guys. Jump in here and play. Helen, Vicky, Vivian has... I thought you made a trade, Vivian. And then Alan's in the game. You still got a lot of cash to spend. Same with V. Same with Tina and Andrew. So, for today, I want you to invest the rest of your money. That's right, the rest of your money. Then I want you to go to open positions. And I want you to take a screenshot of this after you've made your trades so that I can see what you've invested in. Then I want you to open a Google Sheet, a Google Doc. I want you to paste in the screenshot of your portfolio, and then I want you to list out the name of the stock and then the reason that you chose to invest in it. It doesn't have to be long, a couple sentences as to why you invested in that particular stock. If you've already invested all of your money, then just take a screenshot and go back and add in why you chose to invest in those particular stocks. I just want you guys to stop and think a little bit as to why you're choosing to invest in something. And if you're investing in mutual funds, it may be more broad, more general. I wanted to diversify my portfolio. Just depends. There's also mutual funds that are based on sectors. So, I thought the oil sector was going to be really hot, so I invested in an oil mutual fund. Or I see tech going crazy, and so I invested in a tech mutual fund. So it's up to you guys what you invest in, but I just want you to tell me why. All right, it's a down day on the market so far. The Dow is down about 300 points, if I remember correctly. So not a bad time to get in with the stocks on a little bit of a dip. There's buy on dips. That's something that you hear a lot of analysts say. If you have a stock that you like, they say don't be afraid to buy more when it dips. So it goes up like this, and then boom, it takes a little dip. You buy more, and then it just continues up. Boom. So they buy on dips. Whenever it takes a little drop, they go ahead and buy a little more. So, all right, ladies and gents, have fun. Pretend like this is your money. It gets a little more nerve-wracking that way. All right. Happy Monday, ladies and gents.